Hello and welcome to the 73rd tutorial on the C++ programming series, and in this part we're going to be looking at commenting. Commenting allows you to annotate code without the annotations actually being run when the application is executed because they are not compiled. Comments can also be used to, comment out code which prevents that piece of code from being compiled, very similar to what I have been doing during this series. This is something that I have done, and I haven't explained it too much because I knew that there was going to be a tutorial on it, and like I said, it allows you to just sort of eliminate code from being executed, and it's a great way of sort of disabling code temporarily and then re-enabling it later on. So it's great for testing as well, because if you only have one line of code and it's a really simple line, then deleting it isn't too much of an issue, then putting it back in. But imagine if you have an algorithm, and that algorithm you created yourself, but let's say it's about 10 lines, and if you have that, if you have quite a few algorithms, quite a few functions and whatnot throughout the code, and you just want to test it, what it feels like and runs like without that piece of code, or without the pieces of code, deleting it and then putting it back in can not only be time consuming, you can also forget what was exactly there, where it was, or even if it was there in the first place, and it'll be hard to get back to where you was in the same state. Hence why commenting is useful. So let's just show you how to implement comments. This system of commenting is applicable to a lot of programming languages. There are two forms of commenting. There is one which is essentially demonstrated here, which is a single line comment, basically meaning if I were to put 2 forward slashes and put something afterwards, this is a single line comment, and if I were to just click enter and just type something after that and run it, it only comments that line, which is fair enough because it's a single line comment. There's something called a multiple line comment, and to start that you do /*, and then to end it you do */. So anything in between here is commented out. So I'm going to put hello, this is a multi-line comment, yay. And now if we run this, build succeeds, we've got this single line comment, we've got this multi-line comment, and like I said, you can comment out code as well. So what we'll do is stdc out, and we're going to do something a little more complex. I'm just going to do for. We do int I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. I'm going to do std cout I. And now if we run this, you get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Imagine if we think this is causing some errors, or we just want to compensate for whatever reason. We could do this // run it, and it's commented it out completely, but it wasn't too bad for 4 lines. But imagine if this was 20 lines, this can be quite a ridiculous task of commenting it out line by line. If you just wanted to comment out this line, then that's great, the 2 // the single line comment. And we run it, that's fine. Sorry about that, just some sort of notification. And if we wanted to comment out all 4 of these lines, what we could do is /*, and then end the comment by doing */. Now if we run it, it's commented out this, but we've just done it a lot simpler than commenting out every single line. That's it for this part of the series. In the next tutorial, we're going to be looking at class headers and implementations. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or just directly message us via YouTube. All the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.